Well, the Easter-looking display is still here. It is May 8th. However, there's not much going on where the waterfalls are. Still no Snoopy with Woodstock and the Yellowbirds on top of the rock formation. However, when it comes to the new roller coaster, look at that. Now, last time we were here, about a month ago, it was nothing but studs. Now, the building's wrapped up in, well, the roof is kind of there. It's the primer of the roof as well as the primer of the walls before they put the actual stucco on there. But quite a bit of progress right over here. And now we're going to show you more angles of the construction of the Tenderpaw Twister coaster, which is due to open later this summer at Knott's. And Camp Snoopy at Knott's Berry Farm is not the only Cedar Fair Park that's getting some TLC and a remodel and some new rides. The sister park in Cincinnati, Kings Island, their Camp Snoopy is soon to open the brand new Snoopy's Soapbox Racers. And though the name is similar, it's not much like the wacky Soapbox Racers that used to be in the boardwalk area here at Knott's Berry Farm. Now, as I've said previously, it's so much better filming during sundown because you get more details that way, including this brand new rock figuration of Charlie Brown and Snoopy in this brand new roller coaster. Now, this part of the construction site you see very briefly while riding the stagecoach, but here's more detail of it. Now let us hop aboard the Butterfield stagecoach to see what the Tenderpaw Twister coaster looks like on May 8th, 2024. And that's the ride through from the stagecoach. In fact, let's go through it one more time without interruption. And in front of the new soon-to-open Tenderpaw Twister coaster at Camp Snoopy at Knott's Berry Farm, I'm Josh Jacobs with the Talking Archive.